Hello, my dear children. Hope everybody are doing good at home. Look who has come. Your friend Tinku. Do you remember Tinku? Yes. Hi, Tinku. Hi, ma'am. Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? Friends, today I am going to join you all and listen to what ma'am's teaching. I am so happy to see you all and I am so happy to join you. Tinku, that's very nice, Tinku. Yes, but before that, let's do a warm-up rhyme. Alright? We'll recite a warm-up rhyme and then start the topic. And today we are going to learn a very new topic. Are you all excited? Yes. So, we'll first recite a rhyme. Alright? Yes. Join me, children, for the rhyme. Here we go. Birds fly by flapping their wings. They make their nest with leaves and twigs. One beak and two little feet. Birds sing tweet, tweet, tweet. Yes. Once again, birds fly by flapping their wings. They make their nest using leaves and twigs. One beak and two little feet. Birds sing tweet, tweet, tweet. Yes. Children, I told you today we are going to learn something very interesting, right? Can you guess what are we learning today? Yes. We are going to learn about birds. Yes. Children, when you imagine a bird, what comes to your mind? Tell me. Yes. Birds fly, right? Birds fly. How do they fly? Yes. Birds have wings. Alright? Birds have wings to fly. So they fly high in the sky and they also make their nest. Almost all the birds, they make their nest and they lay eggs. Alright, children, they lay eggs in the nest. Alright, they also have a beak. They also have a beak. With the help of their beak, they feed on insects. And some of the birds, they eat the grains. And some of them, they hunt other smaller animals and eat them. And also, they have got two little feet. Alright, children? Yes. So, they have wings to fly. So, they fly high in the sky. So children, now we'll learn about a few birds. Children, look at this bird. Can you name this bird? Yes? It's a pigeon. Alright? It's a pigeon. Pigeons are grey in color. They eat the grains. They love to eat the grains. Alright? Yes. And can you tell me which bird is this? Yes? It's a white bird. It's called a dove. Alright, children? Yes? It is called a dove and it is white in color. Okay, children? Yes, they've got beautiful feathers, right? Yes, white feathers. And now, look at this bird. Isn't it so beautiful? Yes, it's a peacock. Have you seen a peacock? Yes, you can see the peacock when you visit the Bannerghatta National Park. Alright? Yes, peacocks have beautiful large feathers. Very colorful and beautiful, isn't it? Yes. And children, you know, peacock is our national bird. Yes, peacock is our national bird. Alright children, so which bird is this with beautiful feathers? Yes, it's a peacock. Good. And now look at this bird. You are very familiar with this bird, right? It's a hen. Yes. Hen lays eggs, right? It can also fly, but not too high. Alright? Yes. So which bird is this? It's a hen. Alright? Okay. Now, look at this bird. Yes, it's a duck. Which bird is this? It's a duck. Ducks also lays eggs. Ducks can swim in water. Okay children? Yes. So tell me the name of this bird. Yes, duck. Very good. Children, look at this bird. Have you seen this bird? Can you tell the name of this bird? Yes, it's an owl. So which bird is this? It's an owl. Owls come out only during night time. Alright children, they come out during night time and they hunt and eat other smaller animals. Alright? Yes. So tell me the name of this bird. It's an owl. Alright. And now look at this bird. Where have you seen this bird? Yes. Can you tell the name of this bird? It's an eagle. It's an eagle. Eagles fly very high up in the sky. Alright, they fly at a greater height. You might have seen the eagles flying, right? Yes, and they are called birds of prey. Birds of prey, that means they hunt and eat other animals. And see, look at their beak. Yes, it has pointed, sharp beak, right? So that they can eat the flesh of other animals. Alright? Yes. So which bird is this, children? It's an eagle. It's an eagle. And now look at this bird. Yes. So which bird is this? It's a sparrow. Yes, tell me. What is the name of this bird? It's a sparrow. Sparrows are very small birds. Alright, sparrows are very small birds. They eat the grains and also some of them eat the insects. Alright, they also eat insects. Alright children, yes. Tell me the name of this bird once again. Yes, sparrow. Very good. And now look at this white bird. Yes, this bird is called crane. Yes, crane has got long legs. Its legs are long. And cranes eat tiny fish and insects. Alright. So which bird is this? It's a crane. Okay? Yes. And now look at this bird. Yes. It looks like a hen, right? But it is not a hen. Then can you name this bird? It's a rooster. Rooster is a male bird. Alright? Yes. So which bird is this? Tell me. It's a rooster. Okay, children? Good. And now look at this bird. This bird is green in color, right? Have you seen this bird? Yes? Good. Yes. So it's called a parrot. Alright? It has got beautiful green feathers. Okay, its body is green. Feathers are green and its beak is red in color. It loves to eat chilies. Alright, children? And when you train them, some of the parrots can even talk. Yes, parrots can talk. Alright? Yes. So which bird is this? Can you tell the name of this bird? Yes, parrot. Very good. So children, you have learned about birds, right? Birds come in different colors, different sizes. Yes, they have beautiful feathers. Yes, very nice to see the birds flying, right? Yes, and you can keep some of the birds even as pets. Alright? Yes. Now, shall we recall, children, what all birds did we learn now? Yes? Say, parrot, peacock, pigeon, dove, hen, eagle, owl. Yes? Very good, children. So, try to find out the names of some other birds around you. Alright, children, now it's time for the activity. Let's do an activity now. Children, now we'll start the activity. You have to take an A4 sheet and you have to draw a triangle. All of you know what a triangle is, right? Yes, this is a triangle. All of you know it, right? What we have to do now, we are going to make a bird out of it. Alright? Yes. This is a triangle and now you are going to write a beak and feathers. Alright? Yes. Now make the eyes. Yes. And now on the head you have to draw some feathers. And now 2 feet. Okay, your bird is ready. Now we will color the bird using crayons. Okay, I am taking green color. So you can take whichever color you want. Yes. Isn't that nice? Yes? Yes, now I'm going to color the beak red. Yes. So, you've got a beautiful bird over here, right? So, you can try this at home. You can do this and you can show me during the online interactive class. Children, hope you all enjoyed coloring, right? Wasn't that a beautiful activity? Yes, you can all do that at home. Alright? Yes, see you all in the next general awareness class, children. Until then, take care. Bye.